Hey guys, and welcome back to another Pets Go tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about how to grab these bolts of lightning or lightning bolts so you can be able to charge your Tesla coils and get some more huge boost for grabbing this new huge umbrella cat. So to be able to charge all of these 4 Tesla coils to the max, you will need 40 of those bolts. We gathered these 34 bolts for around 2 or 3 hours playing, so it's not so hard to get them, and in this video I will show you exactly how to grab a lot of those in no time. So before we start, let me say big thank you to one of you guys who commented on one of our previous videos. Thank you so much for the tip. I did use it, and as you can see our video is looking a lot better now, so thank you so much for that. And back to the video. Before we begin, go to your upgrades menu and you will be able to see some new upgrades in the weather skill. Over here, follow the left side to unlock this lightning shard drops level 3, which will give you a lot more chances for these lightning shard drops. You can also unlock some of these other upgrades. I will quickly show you what are those other upgrades that you can unlock. And after that, make sure you also unlocked masteries. This will give you the ability to level up your skills while you are collecting the lightning bolts. So once you upgraded all of those, let's see what we will get from this big boss chest this time, and I will show you how to grab those lightning bolts. So we are opening this chest without using any lightning bolts right now, so this is no charge, 0 charges in all of the Tesla coils. And we got nothing special. So the way to get the lightning bolts actually is by breaking these vanilla breakables on the map. So make sure you open your inventory, grab your cocktail, coin potion, lucky potion, and especially the items potion, because this will give you a lot more chances to grab some items from breaking breakables, from rolling, from everything. So that's very important. And the other thing is breakable potions. You should grab some of those. I will use rainbow fruits and also some walking speed potions. I will eat maximum amount of my fruits. And now you can go ahead and break everything on the map. This week the most of the lightning bolts will drop by breaking the coin breakables actually. Not the chest, not the baskets. The big boss chests can also drop some lightning bolts, but this week the most of them will be found in these coin breakables. So let's try and break only those to see if we are gonna get some. I got the most of them by breaking the big boss chests, so you can also get them by only breaking the boss chest, but this is to be more efficient. We need 3 more bolts. There you go, we got 2 lightning bolts. Nice. And we upgraded our mastery actually, and that's why we used cocktail. You can see we have more drops like that and more breakables with the cocktail. The most breakables you will get by using cocktails, so make sure you use that one and stay active on the map. When you see that the big chest is spawning, go ahead and break the boss chest, and don't use your lightning bolts in the beginning at all. Until you have at least 40 of those, don't use them, because you'll just get some small amount of boost for the huge, and that's not what you want. You will need to use 10 in each Tesla coil to get the maximum amount of boost with the lightning bolts. Oh, there is a big chest just dropped over there. So what you can do also when some chest spawns and you don't want it to despawn, you can put some of your pets over there, but you can click once on the big chest and then one pet will come over here to help you with the big one. And if we click another time, there is another, our huge hell rock just came over here. So we have 2 pets over here breaking the big boss chest, and the rest of our pets are breaking the other chests. And that's very good to know if you want to be efficient with your time. And then I just go ahead and quickly grab all of that and return. And like this, by using only one or two of your pets, you can use them to break some other breakables on the side while you are working on the big one. You can also go and buy bolts from the trading plaza. They are going for around 2k at the moment. One is 2k, so you can grab a lot of those even if you are in the beginning. And try your luck in this event. Just as a reminder for you guys who haven't watched our previous videos in Pets Go, we are hosting a giveaway in one of our videos. You can check it out and make sure to grab your chance in getting one of those pets that we are giving away in that video. So just leave a comment in that other video with your username in, and you will have a chance to get one of those mining pets that we are giving away. So that's all that I prepared for you guys for this video. If you have any more questions about lightning bolts or Tesla coils or anything about this update, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you like this video, and I will see you in the next one.